Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's report section. Let's get started. Reports allow you to examine your financial activities and see how each financial decision affects your savings goal. To access these reports, click Reports, and then select the type of report you want to view from the drop-down menu. Tags. Tag reports allows you to keep track of transactions associated with the tags you've created. This report will be presented in the form of a bar graph, table, and pie chart. The bar graph and table generate a report detailing the number of transactions and the amount spent on each tag, whereas the pie chart provides a percentage report for these tags. Click the drop-down menu beside Time Period to filter out the dates of transactions you wish to view or limit the number of tags you want to be displayed on the bar graph. The table report can be sorted out based on either the amount, number of transactions, or the tag name. You can select the number of entries you wish to be displayed on the table and utilize the search bar to search for a specific tag you wish to view. You can click on any of the tag names to view a detailed breakdown of the transaction report under the tag you have selected. Categories. Category reports allow you to keep track of transactions connected with the category you've created. It generates a report detailing the amount you've spent on each category. Time range. This will display the time period that you selected to be displayed on your screen. You can change this by clicking the drop-down menu beside Time Period. Total categories. This displays the total number of categories you have created. Top spent. This shows the category with the highest overall spending. Top transactions. This displays the category with the most number of transactions. By clicking on any of the categories in the bar graph, table, and pie chart, you can see all transactions associated with that category. This report contains two tables. The number of transactions, total amount spent, and percentage share for each category are shown in the first table. The information presented will change depending on the time period you specify. If you set the time period to 6 months, the table will show the total number of transactions, total amount, and total percentage for that category for the entire 6 months. The second table, on the other hand, will give you a breakdown of the total amount you have spent for each month. Merchants. Merchant reports generates a report of your spending for certain merchants. Similar to category reports, your merchant report will also have the bar graph, table, and pie chart, which shows a report of the number of transactions, total amount spent, and percentage share for each merchant. Recurring transactions. Recurring transaction reports allows you to view transaction you've made periodically. It also gives you reports from which merchant or categories you spend the most. Large transactions. Large transactions report, as its name implies, contains a report of large transactions you've made on your account. This allows you to notice any unnecessary or excessive payments on your accounts. Weekly reports. Weekly reports generate a report detailing your money movement on a specific week. The weekly outflow will be displayed in the bar graph, which allows you to compare the amount spent on a weekly basis. It will show you the average spend you made in previous weeks. Click the drop-down menu beside Week Outflow to select the number of weeks you want to be displayed on the graph. And then click the blue bar to view the transactions made on the week you selected. The weekly table report allows you to view more details on each transaction made each week. It gives you more options in searching for certain weekly transactions you want to view. Monthly reports. Monthly reports will generate a report detailing your money movement for each month. The same with the weekly report. Your report will also show your monthly outflow in the bar graph and table, where you can compare your spending for every month. Cash available. Cash available report gives you details on the total amount of money on your accounts that are available for you to use. Share by amount. This displays the total cash available for each institution you linked with Money Patrol. Share by account type. This displays the amount of cash available on your savings and checking account. Share by institution type. This is a percentage report on the cash available for each institution you linked with Money Patrol. Lastly, there is the credit usage. Your credit usage report details the percentage of available credit that you have used. In this report, you will see your credit usage trends, which is a line graph that shows your daily credit usage each month. Next to the line graph is your overall credit usage for the current month. And below is a table with more credit details, which includes the date of each credit report, the institutions linked with MoneyPatrol, the maximum amount of credit you can use, and the amount of credit remaining available per institution. You'll also see the amount of credit you've used per credit account in the credit loan column, as well as the percentage of used credit in the credit usage column. The recent payment column displays the amount and dates of your most recent payment, followed by the dates of your next due payments. And this is it for reports. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about MoneyPatrol.